Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and this evening I thought I would show you guys or share with you guys one of my favorite resources for DIYs. So the last few days we've been talking about DIYs, things you can make in your home for presents, for other people, for your own home, using the essential oils that you may already have in your home. And so I thought today, instead of sharing another DIY, I would just share with you one of my favorite resources, and that is doTERRA's blog. So they have a product blog. I will share that in the description box below, and it's wonderful because I have found things from hair care to skincare, gift ideas, all kinds of stuff, things to make my house smell better, things to clean with, all sorts of DIYs. So if you are a DIY person and you have essential oils and you want to learn how to use them better or more, or just a wider range of products that you can make in your home with them, go to that web address. I'm going to list it in the description box so you guys can go there and use it at will. We have so much going here at Freedom Makers, and so instead of doing another video, I thought I would just share that resource with you. If you have been there or have a favorite recipe or something else that you like to make with essential oils, list that in the comment section below so we can all learn from each other. That is one thing I love about having a YouTube channel. We can, in the comment section, converse, and I get a lot of great ideas from you guys. And so share those, and we are going to see you after Christmas. So I will put up a video after the holidays, and I will see you guys then. I hope you're having a marvelous time with family and friends or whatever you're doing the next few days. So Merry Christmas for those of you who celebrate Christmas, and I will catch you guys then. So thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate each of you, and I hope you have a lovely next few days.